Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to step on today's video? I'm going to show you how to hide activities on Yubo. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Yubo app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app and sign in. Once you sign in on your screen, you can see at the top right corner there's a user icon. Tap on it and find settings, which is again at the top right corner. Select it and scroll down and find safety and privacy. Under safety and privacy, you can see there's location option. All you have to do is turn it off so the people near your location can't see your activities. If you turn it on, people near your location can find you very easily. So all you have to do is turn your location off. Also, you have to hide your city. And guys, that's it. That's how you hide your activities on Yubo. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.